Hello everybody, welcome to the Pound Trader, a channel where I make frequent analysis of the pound USD. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so looking at the weekly time frame, we can see here that we are making a retracement and we have made this level over here which has refused to, push up. So just taking my Fib retracement here, and I can see that we are on the 61.8% Fib level. If you've watched my previous video, then you know I am on the sell side. So this is still confirming to me that because we still haven't been able to push up, that I will just be on the sell side. All right, so going to the daily time frame, you can see here that we did have a trend line here that was making high highs and high lows. Now this here is still at the same level, so it's not like a proper break below, because even if I was to extend my trend line like this, there is still a potential for it to continue pushing up. So because of that, I can see that we did have some bearish candles over here. But if I'm just to return my trend line as to where it was, and I scale down to the lower time frame, you can see here that from the ascending triangle that I had, we finally have a breakout. Yes, so we finally have a breakout, and of course I would like to look for a proper retracement. I mean, if you did get some sells over here, which I also did, but it wasn't part of my strategy, I was a bit confident, so I took some sells over here. But ideally, the best situation would be for me to just, wait for a proper retracement and then take a sell from around probably this level over here, then maybe push it down. So I have many lines on my 4-hour time frame. I should mute some of them because they're kind of distracting. Maybe I don't know. Anyway, let me leave them like that. If I take my Fib retracement level, let's see a nice level. So we can see here that we have reactions on the 50%, but I still feel like we might go up to the 61.8% Fib level. I will personally be waiting for that level before I take any sort of sells. Yeah, but if not, if I do get like a candle that's, reacting around this level, if the 4-hour maybe closes below, then maybe I might take that sell. So just going to the 1-hour time frame. Oh, and also guys, because I had an ascending triangle, if I was to measure like the breakout, I would take the height of this triangle and then move it to where there might be a breakout. So let's say if it's like here, then probably the distance might go until there if it was selling, yeah. Or if it was here, then maybe until down here. But I'm still not confident. I still think that we have to form like a proper trend line angle. This to me seems a little bit too steep. I feel like maybe if we move it to around there, it might be possible. But again, it's just waiting for confirmation. If I get it, maybe I might take the sell from here. Who knows? Okay, so maybe just going to the 1-hour time frame. Yeah, we have rejections in this 50% Fib. Now, I am based in Kenya, and one of my rules in my strategy is that I do not trade before 9 a.m. It is currently 8 a.m. So personally, even though I can see some bearish candles here, I still wouldn't take this trade. Maybe I'm going to wait for maybe a double top like this and then take it down. Sorry. Oopsie. Wait for a double top like this, like that, before taking it down. If at all it's rejecting at this 50% Fib level. But if not, I would just ideally like to wait for a rejection from over here. It just seems like a more secure level to me. But if not, again, I'll take the sell from here. So I'll just wait for confirmation, maybe the double top, or if not the double top, maybe another breakout like this. I can see we have a level around here, so maybe a break and retest of that level, and then I'll take it down. So yeah, with a bearish candle from over here, that would be what I'd be looking for. Okay, so let's just look at the dollar very quickly. Finally as well, we have a breakout on the bullish side from this range that has been ranging here for quite some time. Yeah, we have a breakout, and we should also, well, I'm also expecting a sort of retracement. Maybe first to take my Fib level and measure. I would think that maybe the retracement would come to the 61.8% Fib level, or maybe should I draw it from here? Let's see. or the 78.6. Yeah, but I'd still be looking for this zone. This zone also makes like more sense because, you know, when I drew my trend line, there might be like a good bounce from this area. But again, sometimes, you know, it might not make the deepest retracement, so you just have to be ready for that. But yeah, waiting for a retracement on the dollar. Looking at the calendar, I am based in Kenya. This is based on East African time. Today is Thursday, 18th of January, 2024. We have some news at 4:30 p.m., which is unemployment claims from the dollar. And on Friday, we have some GBP news and some USD news at 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. All right, so I just wanted to make this one super, super quick. Thank you so much for everybody who subscribed. Road to 200 subscribers. Yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments on what you think will happen on the pound USD so that we can all learn from each other. Bye-bye and see you on the next video.